Hi, I'm Don from Don Does Stuff, and today we're going to assemble this metal low-rise, it's a 4-inch rise bed frame for a queen-size mattress. It was purchased on Amazon, and we'll see how to assemble it. So when you unpack everything, you'll end up with a number of small parts, including this hardware pack here, the instructions, and then all the parts for the frame and 20 of the slats that go across. Now, I recommend you get everything out like I have here and compare that to the list that's in the instruction manual. There's the instruction manual right there. And do that before you go anywhere, because the last thing you want to do is get to the very end and discover there's a piece missing or a bolt missing or something like that. One other tip is that you want to make sure that when you're putting these screws in that you don't tighten anything overly tight. That allows you to have a little bit of slop when you're putting it together, and then once it's all together, then you tighten everything up. All right, let's get started. So they do provide the tools that you need. These are 4mm Allen keys. They give you 2 of them, and they do give you a tiny little wrench for the nuts and bolts. However, I would recommend that you get a bit that fits either a 4mm hex bit, just a straight bit, or I'm using a Torx T25 bit, and that'll go a whole lot faster. And the nuts that they provide are actually a 13mm hex nut. So I'm going to use that instead of their little itty bitty thing. So there we have it. The bed frame is fully assembled. It's rock solid, nice and tight. I'm ready to put the mattress on. One little tip I would recommend, actually 2 tips. Number 1 is I missed a piece. I don't know whether you noticed it in the time lapse. Part L, it comes in a little plastic bag all unto itself, and it's buried in, I think, step 9 of the instructions. It goes right in the middle there at the cross point to strap it all together. So don't miss that little piece, or you'll do what I did, which is like, uh-oh, there's a piece left over. The other tip is there are a lot of screws or a lot of bolts. Some are M8s, some are M6s, so you're probably not going to confuse those two, but be sure to get the right length for the right step in the assembly. Otherwise, you'll end up with maybe too long a piece or too short a bolt at the end of the process. Just double check those lengths. It's not hard to do as you're going along. That's it, that's all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my videos to see what other crazy things I'm up to.